Hello users. In this video, I will teach you how to use the System Menu Editor for the Infinite GUI plugin. The System Menu Editor is a utility within the main GUI menu which can be opened by the /GUI command. It can be used to edit any system menu. A system menu is the menu provided by the plugin. So without further ado, let's get started. Open the main GUI manager with the /GUI command. Navigate to Manage System Menu, which is by default located at around bottom row 4th slot, and click it. The Manage System Menus GUI has all the menus that is provided by the plugin, including the Manage System Menus menu as well. For this example, we will modify the Manage GUIs menu, which is the main menu that is displayed when you type the command /GUI. Left-click to edit the title. You can type whatever title you would want in the chat. For this example, I will just type a bunch of color codes and a random title. As you see, the title is updated in real time, in this GUI as well as the GUI itself and the YAML file too. You can Shift plus left click to edit the rows for the system menu as well. We won't be changing the rows for the system menu just yet because if it do that, it will throw errors as there are items set currently on almost all the rows. Right click to open the system menu editor. The layout will be different per system menu. You can click the items to open the item editor for the respective item. Here you can customize the item as you desire, change their material, display name, lore, custom model data, etc. We will just change the material for this item. This as well will update in real time in the system menu editor, the system menu itself, and the YAML for the system menu too. I will now show you an example of changing slots of an item. Click Modify Slots button present on top left and type the new slot. Do follow the slot format as in the YAML. Use comma to separate slots. And voila! We will now adjust all the items present on the 6th row to other slots as we will be removing the 6th row. You don't need to remove items with slot set to all for this. Now that we have the 6th row empty, we can finally set the rows for the system menu to 5. Set it to 5. And there. The rows are changed. We can reset it back to 6 too. As you see in the system menu editor, one of the item was on a different slot than what we set it for. This is because the plugin auto-adjusts any item with an already filled slot to either +1 or -1 from its set slot in the system menu editor. These same steps can be used to adjust any other given system menu. Only the layout changes per system menu, but the steps do not. As you see, it's about the same for the steps.